During polishing, between 3 and 4 microns of material are removed. When we know that a hair is 70 microns, we fully realize what is at stake in each of our actions. We distinguish polishing from watch decoration because we focus on the visible part of our timepieces: case, bezel, horns, crown. It is magical to give these components an exceptional shine called a mirror polish. This precision work is done in the dark to allow us to play with the light and get a better visibility. I always start with the raw components from machining. Imperfections and other scratches must be removed to brighten them up and give them their shine. I start by polishing the part on a lathe, which drives a rotating roller called a pad. Made of several fabric discs, it is a brush on which we apply an abrasive paste that helps shine the metal. We can run these pads at different speeds, depending not only on the defects to be removed, but also on the material to be worked on. Not all the metal we use reacts in the same way. Each piece needs its own holder to ensure a perfect fit. All these holders are produced here. We keep them all. They are a part of our wealth and allow us to preserve our heritage. The pad does not move. It is my hands and fingers that position themselves at different angles or inclinations to impart the necessary pressure. It may sound strange, but I rarely see what I do. I can almost feel it on my skin. It is a subtle but very clear impression which is acquired with experience and confirmed over time. It takes about 2 years of practice to master this action. It may look the same, but everyone has their own technique. What guides us? Precision. Nothing but precision. Many factors are likely to compromise the geometry and therefore the balance of the component. Even the slightest deviation, an apparently harmless slip of the material. That's why we check everything down to the micron. To polish this set bezel, I will use a micromotor, a small brush that allows me to take back any scratches that might have formed during gem setting. During this crucial step, which only 2 of us in the workshop have mastered, I take up the points one by one with great care. But the most difficult part are the pieces with different finishes side by side, such as polish here combined with satin or microblasted. For this type of finishing, there are no secrets. Everything must be done by hand. Then comes the brightening stage, a very light polishing. It is the last touch to obtain a mirror polish. And we finish by redoing the edges by hand. These passages are done without holders, just our fingers and our feeling. Here we wash the pieces, sometimes with steam, but in specific baths, which guarantees the quality of the work done. Sometimes we wash the components 3 or 4 times throughout the polishing process. I never let a piece go without checking it. This is called an inspection. Every corner, every surface is meticulously cleaned and checked. Our job as polishers is like putting the final signature on a picture painted by all the craftsmen of the Grande Maison.